Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll share my experience on social media post. And actually, a designer should have a portfolio like this. So today I'll share my portfolio experience. This is Behance. So what actually Behance website? This is like all types of graphic designer will post their work, and the buyers will come here and see the work of designers. Then they will choose, and that's it. So I have shared so many designs here. So I will talk. Let's talk about this design. This is already 12K. Already 12K people will have already watched this, and 257 people liked this. So let's check this out. This is the logo I have made for a restaurant logo, fireupthegrill.com. So he wanted to show his logo as a base, so I have made according to his instructions. And as a designer, I have put some fire and spoons and the unique font, and with the design, unique design, I have tried to make it best. Then I have showed this according some mock-ups needs. So this is actually uh, a design. So lots of people's watch this and comment and liked. So among them, let's check this out. His Egyptians designer freelancer. He liked and said, "Good job." So some people's here, amazing work, very nice, bro. So they have comment here. And today, actually, I want to share new design. So this is my new design. As a brand designer, I will show this. So this is actually what actually means this unique logo. So a designer, wait a minute, I have a, I will show you one something here. This is a order from Fiverr.com, and $150 for I have received it. And this is a designer and from my Fiverr. So he wanted the logo. He just say to me, "Hey, I have a real estate company, so I want to uh, make a logo, and of course this will be unique and modern and eye-catching." He said to me. Then I have made a logo for him. Like you can see here, skyline Y. This is YLI. So I have made a shape like a building and properties, and then I have made the full design according to the logo needs. So here three lines and properties. So this is a wild display displayed. I have just tried to show. So then I have displayed on a business card and a cap and a mobile phone and print and on a book cover design and a banner and a just how it looks on different angles and on different mockups. This is the sample I have just tried to show to him. So then on wall, this is looking very gorgeous. So actually, like this way, every designer should display their logo and branding. So here is another, you can check out anytime. So behance.net/Nurujjaman Hridoy, this is my link. So anytime you can check out my designs, and if you want to work with me, then you can call me directly, or anything else you can tell me. So here then I have, this is my freelancer.com. So this is my new ID. So here actually I have displayed those types of work. Now why? Let's check out one more things. Just like a contest, freelancer.com contest. here highest price. eh, Now let's check this out. This is 150 100 USD, right? So this is a big amount, almost 2 lakhs taka Bangladeshi. So interest, this is the design. This is the design, final design. He already, this designer already own this 2 lakhs taka for one design. So why I have opened this profile? Let's check out. He has displayed some portfolio here because he has already showed those to, so a designer or a buyer can understand everything. That's why he displayed those types of design, and the quality of him we can understand. Then this is why we should display our portfolio, our designs, our work like this way. So this is another project I have already. This is Tasin Best Food. I have already worked with this company. So he said they are just farm related company, and fresh fruit they provide. So according to their instructions, I have made this. So here you can check out his branding, their branding. So on a tea stall, and what actually the logo will looks like, I have given their fresh and with a banner and with a packaging design and bottle design. So actually what actually it looks on a bag, and you can see just gorgeous way. I have tried to give them the clear and here handkerchiefs and bags, what actually their logo will look like on a big office. So they are celebrating on a banner, big banner, billboard. So this is actually a designer should do. So that's why I have displayed my work on freelancer.com, like behance.com, and then instagram.com. Here I have submitted my work, and what actually I want to show, I have submitted here and my project. So I think all of you will like this, and anytime you can contact me. And then, this is my YouTube channel. So what actually I have shared here: graphic design related, logo, brand identity, and visual design, professional design process, and AI tools and smart workflow, creative automations, and digital marketing like a branding and brand ad strategy, social media growth, and real estate, real business marketing, and then video editing guide and premium editing flow, content and creative cards, and freelancing and career growth, client hunting and conversions, long-term earning strategy, English for professionals, client communication. So these types of service I actually provides, and I have all work already 3,000 plus global clients on Fiverr. So actually Fiverr account, this is not to show. So there is some problems. That's why I'm not showing this my profile. So anytime you can check out my portfolio, and you can ask me for your business, and I'm sure you will love my design quality and everything else. So here my design is strategy and design quality. So I think all of you will love my, yeah. And then here is my branding and videos. You can get lots of ideas from here. So that's all. Thank you so much. So if you want to be a good designer, and if you want to get the good logos and brand identity for your business, of course you can hire me, and anytime you can tell me, and I'm sure you'll love my everything. And I will, this is another good news. Look at here, the anti-ace kingdom. NTS Kingdom is my brand. As here, NTS Kingdom is my brand, and here, so whenever you will see this video, then you will be able to understand my what actually I have. So thank you so much. Hope that you will love my everything, and subscribe my channels, and do like, comment, shares, and stay connected with me. Of course, I will be able to give you the best design, quality, service, and marketing materials, and attract your business. Thank you so much.